Today, we're going to be talking about one of the healthiest vegetables you can add to your diet, broccoli. This humble green veggie packs a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's dive into the amazing health benefits of broccoli. First up, let's talk about broccoli's nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and potassium. Rich in vitamin C, K, fiber, and potassium. Just 1 cup of broccoli provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin C intake. Plus, the fiber in broccoli helps to improve digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. So, it's not only great for your immune system, but also for your digestive health. Now, did you know that broccoli is loaded with anti-cancer properties? Broccoli contains compounds like sulforaphane, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Contains sulforaphane, fights cancer cells. Sulforaphane helps detoxify harmful substances in your body and protects cells from oxidative damage. It's especially beneficial in reducing the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Including broccoli in your diet can be a delicious way to support your long-term health. Another incredible benefit of broccoli is its ability to support heart health. The high levels of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in broccoli are great for your heart. Lowers cholesterol, reduces blood pressure. Broccoli helps to lower cholesterol and keep your blood pressure in check, which can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. So, for a heart-healthy addition to your meals, broccoli is the way to go. There you have it, 3 amazing health benefits of broccoli. From boosting your immune system to reducing your cancer risk and supporting heart health, this superfood is definitely worth adding to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below on how you like to cook broccoli, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.